Is your 2016-2019 Infiniti QX60 key fob not working reliably? A dead or weak battery is the most common cause. Replacing it is a simple DIY task that can save you time and money compared to a dealership visit. This video will guide you through the process step by step. Your Infiniti QX60 key fob uses a CR2032 lithium coin cell battery. This standard battery is widely available and inexpensive, costing under $5. You can find it at most drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers. While rechargeable equivalents exist, OEM-recommended CR2032 batteries are generally the best choice for reliable performance. Confirm the exact battery type via your owner's manual. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin. To prevent damaging the fob's electronics, work on a non-conductive surface and avoid static discharge. Ground yourself before you begin. Safety is key to avoid unnecessary repair costs. Begin by gently prying open the key fob casing. Most 2016-2019 QX60 fobs have a small slot or latch for this purpose. Insert your screwdriver or coin into the slot. Carefully twist to separate the two halves. Avoid applying excessive force to prevent damage, and note how the parts fit together for reassembly. Once the fob is open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the battery's orientation. The positive plus side should be facing up towards the circuit board. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation. Polarity is important. Improper installation can cause the key fob to not work. Snap the two halves of the key fob casing back together, ensuring they are securely closed to prevent misalignment and ensure proper function. Test the key fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons to remotely lock and unlock your vehicle from a short distance. If the key fob doesn't work, double-check that the battery is oriented correctly with the positive side up, and ensure the casing halves are fully snapped together without any gaps. If you have a multimeter, check the battery's voltage by touching the probes to the battery terminals. A good CR2032 battery should read around 3 volts. If your key fob still doesn't work after battery replacement, first ensure you're using a quality battery. OEM-recommended batteries like CR2032 from Infiniti are best, as some cheap aftermarket options can cause intermittent signal loss or malfunctions. Second, avoid using metal tools during replacement, as they can cause short circuits or damage the fob's electronics. Use plastic or non-conductive tools instead. Third, be aware that some aftermarket batteries can lead to issues due to poor quality or compatibility problems. Stick to reputable brands to avoid recalls or lockouts. Additionally, improper handling like static discharge or incorrect polarity can cause problems. Work on a non-conductive surface and double-check battery orientation. If issues persist despite these checks, consult your Infiniti owner's manual for detailed diagnostics, or take it to a qualified mechanic to avoid voiding warranties or causing further damage. Looking ahead, the automotive industry is moving towards smarter key fobs. Future designs may include rechargeable batteries or even energy harvesting technology that draws power from motion or solar energy, eliminating the need for manual replacements. Some key fobs are already integrating with mobile apps to monitor battery health and provide diagnostics remotely. For your 2016-2019 QX60, however, sticking with a standard CR2032 battery swap remains the reliable solution. Always dispose of old lithium batteries at designated recycling centers to protect the environment.